Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mariam, and today I'm going to tell a story. Leopard Cub's question. Once there was a leopard cub, and he was very, very curious. He had so many questions. Where is the best place in the jungle? He asked one day. He asked so many questions to his mom. Why don't you find out for yourself? Leopard Cub went to ask the other animals. Where is the best place in the jungle? He asked. The leafy branches, said sloth. The shady river bank, said elephant. The fruit trees, said the monkey. This does not help, said Leopard Cub. Everyone has a different answer. When he got home, Mom had made his bed with fresh moss and leaves. Leopard Cub jumped on and snuggled on. So, did you find the best place in the jungle? She asked. Suddenly, Leopard Cub knew the answer to his question. Yes, I did. I thought everyone had a different answer, but actually, they were all the same. The best place in the jungle is home.